Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. Today we will be creating a puzzle book to sell on Amazon KDP. Additionally, we can sell a digital version of the same exact puzzle book that we make on Etsy. Let's head over to Amazon to do some market research. We're gonna look for puzzle book for adults. And here you can see I'm quickly gonna actually sort it by bestsellers. And here we see 3,800 reviews, 800 reviews, 1K sold in the past month. And the average price of them is between $6 and $9.50. Okay, so let's head over to our royalty calculator. We're gonna put the size 6 by 9 inches, pages would be 125, and price would be $8. Here you see we're left with $2.30 in our pocket. So if we sell 10 books each per month per day, and we're gonna do 4 types of puzzles and 3 types of variations, so easy, medium, hard, and that brings us to 80 to 80 potentially in your pocket. Perfect. Let's quickly search Etsy. We're gonna go over to Etsy, look at puzzle books. So here you can see the ones that are digital download, they're selling anywhere between $4 and $2, and they're mostly adult books. So let's head over to the Etsy calculator. You just need to be aware that they have fees. So Etsy is one-time $15 fee, and on top of that, they take 20 cents per item. In addition to that, there's 6.5%. Okay, so for example, if we sell $2.99 per piece, so we're gonna subtract say 99 cents for all their fees, and then again it's gonna be 10 books per day for a month, and then 4 types of puzzles and 3 variations, so easy, medium, hard. That makes us $7,200 for the month, which is pretty good. Okay, heading over to ChatGPT and having ChatGPT make us 50 pages of Sudoku with level medium. It's gonna do its thing, and really you don't have to do anything, and ChatGPT is just gonna give you all of your content for the book. Great, so we have the puzzles, now we need solutions. So I'm gonna say, please provide solutions for the above as well. And it's gonna go ahead and give us all of that as well. It just takes time analyzing things. Here we go. I have that, and download. Perfect. Now we're gonna head over to Canva to actually make the book. We're gonna do custom size. Width would be 6. Oh, that needs to be inches. Okay, 6 by 9. Okay, great. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload the files that I downloaded here. So I have it here. I'm gonna open this file, and I have all 50 pages of Sudoku that ChatGPT gave me. Okay, just the sizing of the font is a little off, so I'm gonna adjust that. Let's increase the size to make sure one digit is in one box. Size 14 is good for this font. Okay, this looks great. I'm just gonna bold it as well. Now it looks like a real Sudoku. I'm quickly gonna go ahead and do that for the second page. I wonder if there's a faster way. Maybe I'll do apply all 50 pages. There we go. Okay, so all 50 done, and we just need to go through them and adjust the font size really quickly and make them all bold. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. Moving ahead, I'm gonna add a page at the very front for the cover page. And we're gonna go ahead and add the solutions after the 50 pages. I'm gonna try adding all 50. Okay, no, I don't think that works because it removed all of my original pages. So I'm gonna undo that. And I'm actually gonna manually add it page by page just because it makes more sense. And I'm just gonna edit the font size as I go. One thing that I just thought of is the page numbers that need to be on the solutions. So let's go ahead, select text, add a text box, and add that at the bottom right of the page. And I'm going to label that as 1 because this is going to be the solution to page 1 of the Sudoku book. Okay, going ahead, and I'm quickly going to add page numbers to all of the pages. I know Canva does not have an automatic page numbering system, so we unfortunately have to go ahead and do it all manually. Okay, I will be right back. I'm actually going to go to page 1 and start numbering that as well because the actual puzzles need to be numbered as well. Now we're just gonna add a page after the 50th puzzle and add a heading and write solutions, just making sure it's nice and big. And I'm going to be posting all the solutions after this on all the pages that we numbered. Just centering this a little bit. Okay, this looks good. Okay, this is great. Now I'm quickly going to add all of these puzzle solutions to the corresponding pages, and I will be back. Perfect. Now let's head over to the cover, and I'm going to look for Sudoku book cover. There we go. I like this one. Okay, I don't quite like the color scheme. I'm going to change the background to blue. This looks nice. All the font needs to be black according to me. It just looks a lot nicer for a cover. Let's go ahead and make that black. And I do need effects and an outline, maybe a gray or a white outline. It just makes the font stand out. So let's quickly go ahead and do that. Okay, that looks great. Just placement there looks nice, and I don't like this. I'm gonna go find a white background Sudoku game screenshot there. Perfect. And a magnifying glass to put on top of the puzzle just to add some character to the page, to the cover. This looks really nice, just increasing the size of the title here. Okay, I need a ribbon to indicate that this is a level medium Sudoku puzzle. So just inserting a text box and writing difficulty level medium. This looks nice, and now I just need something that says it's a brain activity, so let's do brain. And then this one, no, I don't. Okay, this is nice. Okay, actually let's put it on top, and I'm gonna move all of this a little bit down. Yep, decreasing the size here. Yes, I think I'm really happy with this now. So this is our Sudoku book ready. You're just gonna go ahead and download it, and we'll have the hard copy to sell on KDP.
and soft copy to sell on Etsy. Now remember, you don't have to do anything. KDP takes care of all the printing.
Thanks for joining me on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive digital income streams through creative entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy earning!